Hi, welcome to Putting the Pro on Projectile, and today we're going to be doing a look into my new survival kit. This is an old Craftsman toolbox. Here's a size, this is a size comparison of, this is a 50 caliber ammo box, and this is one of my other survival kits, and this is the one that we're going to look at today. So I have a padlock on it. Reach under it. I have the key to it under some tape. Alright, so first in the tray on the top, we've got a whistle, an extra strength energy shot, blue raspberry flavored. A knife, a fixed blade knife that I made. It's wrapped with some cord on the handle. And a compass. Some aluminum foil, some snare wire, some small washers to add to the snare wire because I like to put washers on the snare to make it slide better. A survival wrap or emergency blanket. And a small sewing kit, two black trash bags, a glow stick, an emergency poncho, and this is some signal stuff I put together that I created. I've got some smoke bombs. You can get them around the 4th of July, and they work great for signaling. And I've got some little stumps of candle. And a first aid kit. So that's what's there in the top, and then I've got a fishing lures, hooks, some line, baits, sinkers. This is my little fire kit. It's a leather pouch that I made, and here is hardened pine pitch, matches, magnesium bar with a flint and a ferrocerium rod on the side, a little candle and a shotgun shell, and these are cotton balls that are set in an egg carton, and then poured wax onto. And then I've got a ferrocerium rod, a lighter, and a magnifying glass. And I've got some birch bark and some jute twine. I've got this Sawyer Mini water filtration device. I've got an aluminum or no, steel water bottle. It's either aluminum or steel that is you can boil water in, but I mainly put it in there for putting the water that I filter into. Got some toilet paper, one bottle of water for until you get some water filtered, a hearty beef stew, ready meal, self-heating emergency food, and it has a hearty beef. It includes hearty beef stew entree, an oatmeal cookie, a toasted toaster pastry, strawberry flavored, peanut butter, raisins, crackers, beverage tube, which is lemonade, pepper, spoon, towelette, heater, and then the heater and the salt water for the heater, which is how you cook it, and a beanie cap, some throwing knives that I made, some popsicle sticks for shaving into tinder, a Colgan's miniature camp axe, some rope, and a tarp for making a shelter, and a tactical pen with a pen and a flashlight and a little screwdriver and bolt, wrench and box cutter, and comes with extra batteries and extra pen cartridge. So that's what I have in there, and I hope you enjoyed watching.